That's good.
For a long time, I didn't know if I should make this video or not. Because honestly, once the internet decides something, it feels like nothing you say after that really matters. And for months, people who don't know me, I saw them talking about me like they knew my entire life. I watched rumors turn into facts, assumptions turn into narratives,
हिंदी में बोला करो यार.
and allegations turn into my identity. A lot of people were very supportive. They told me just ignore it, don't pay too much attention to it, time will fix it, don't respond. But nobody really talks about what it feels like to live through this in real time. To go to sleep and wake up every day knowing that your name is being discussed like this somewhere online. Knowing that people are judging your character based on incomplete information. Knowing some people have already made up their minds before I could even speak. And the truth is, that kind of changes you a lot. When everything happened, I stayed silent. Not because I was guilty, not because I had nothing to say. I really thought people would wait. I really thought fairness still existed. People would at least consider me to be a human. I thought people would care about facts before destroying someone's reputation like this. But the internet doesn't really work that way anymore. People react first, they investigate later. And sometimes they don't investigate at all. And that's exactly what happened in my situation. One of the hardest parts wasn't even the allegations themselves. It was how quickly people made up their minds and became comfortable reducing my name into a headline, a YouTube title, a trending topic. Like suddenly, years of who I was as a person no longer mattered. My work didn't matter, my character didn't matter, the kind of content that I made for you didn't matter, my intentions didn't matter. None of it. It felt like people only saw the worst thing attached.
इतने कट्स क्यों लगा रहे हो यार? और वीडियो भी 8 मिनट की है ताकि ad revenue कवर हो जाए. Like, come on, bro. Let it breathe out. Let it breathe out. You don't have to edit this. You can just talk. If you want to talk, you can just talk. You don't have to edit it. You know. यहाँ पे कौन ADHD और attention deficit का ध्यान दे रहा है, bro?
Attached to my name, be it false,
on.
it doesn't matter. And that's a horrible feeling because when your name gets stained publicly like this, you start questioning everything: your future, your confidence, your identity. There were days I genuinely isolated myself from everyone. I stopped enjoying
Raj, Azuz, Cringistan all look same, bro. Shut the fuck up. What are you trying to say? I had a very bad joke, but I'm not gonna crack it, bro.
love. I haven't made a single track in the last 6 months. I overthought every decision, every single decision, be it online, be it in my personal life. I became hyper aware of how people viewed me. And the worst part about public allegations is that even if they're false, the damage still feels real. That is the part people don't understand. People think once something like
Okay, but were they false?
this is cleared up, life magically returns back to normal. No. Mentally, emotionally, socially,
Rant है 8 मिनट, no justification, nothing really?
everything changes. And that's what I've experienced in the last 6 months. Your relationships change. The way people look
Okay, so 2.5 मिनट की समरी में दे दूँ. मुझ पे एलिगेशन लगा और मैं गायब हो गया और मेरी लाइफ चेंज हो गई. Which is like very obvious. You know.
at you changes. And sometimes the hardest part to recover isn't your reputation, to be honest. It's your peace.
Who cares about recovery, dog? We care about what's the justification of what is your side.
There's also something deeply painful
Why is my chat not visible? It is literally visible, bro. What the fuck do you mean? But yeah.
about being misunderstood. It's your peace. It's your peace. There's also something deeply painful about being misunderstood by the people you genuinely loved, you genuinely cared about, people you thought knew your heart, people you thought and expected to stand beside you no matter what, people you would have taken a bullet for. Everything changed. Because situations like this honestly reveals a side of human nature that is very hard to accept.
What is he saying, bro?
A lot of people can support you when life is easy.
What is he saying, though?
When everything is going smooth, when you're at your peak. But the second things become uncomfortable or overwhelming, when your name carries controversy.
मेरे भाई तू एक 11 साल की बच्चों की फुटबॉल टीम को एक स्पीच नहीं दे रहा है बिफोर गोइंग टू अ क्षेत्र न्यायालय फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट 2026-17-1 हैं भाई. तू तेरे पे बहुत सीरियस एलिगेशंस लगे हैं and there has been nothing from your side so far. You need to talk about them. Please. What the fuck is this script?
Or when associating with you becomes risky, that support disappears.
मैंने किया था एक बार सुपर चैट, मुझे 3 लड़कियों का DM आ गया था. थैंक यू राज भाई. भाई एक बार और कर, 10 लड़कियों का आएगा.
very quickly. And I'm not saying this with anger. Honestly speaking, I have moved past anger. Those days are gone. Now I just see things differently, more realistically. Also, I want to say this very clearly. I'm not making this video to attack anyone, to expose anyone. I'm not doing any of that. I made a video last year stating that I'm going to leave commentary, and I'm still sticking to that decision, by the way. I'm not here to send hate, and I'm not going into every private detail publicly because genuinely speaking, some things really don't belong on the internet. But I also reached a point where staying silent started feeling like allowing the internet to write my story for me. And I couldn't keep doing that, man. Also, there is something mentally exhausting about carrying allegations that don't represent who you really are. Especially when people only see clips, screenshots, rumors, or opinions without context. There is a big difference between facts and hearsay. The one thing that I've realized is that there is something mentally exhausting about carrying allegations that don't represent who you really are. Especially when people only see clips, screenshots, rumors, or opinions without. There is a big difference between facts and shots, rumors, or opinions without context. There is a big difference between facts and hearsay. The one thing that I've realized is that internet people a chance to be human anymore. Everything is just black and white. Villain
यार मेरे को वो सुनने दो, क्या उसने हेयर से क्या बोला तेरे को?
You really are. Especially when people only see clips, screenshots, rumors, or opinions without context. There is a big difference between facts and hearsay.
Okay, well, let me tell you something. This is not hearsay. Hearsay is literally just कि तुमने सुना हुआ है. There's nothing, no proof, no fact, no screenshot. Screenshot भी अपने आप में evidence हो सकता है. It's not hearsay. If it's a screenshot, it is not hearsay. Especially if it is your own screenshot. ठीक है, तो this is not true. You know, not the allegations cannot be called hearsay. The other supporting evidence can be called hearsay. The allegations themselves cannot be called hearsay. She had a lot of proofs, so-called proofs, whatever. आप proof को refute कर सकते हो one by one. You cannot call them hearsay.
The one thing that I've realized is that internet rarely gives people a chance to be human anymore. Everything is just black and white. Villain or victim, good or evil, loved or hated. And once people emotionally commit to a narrative, whether it be false, it becomes very difficult to change their minds. Changing their minds becomes nearly impossible, and I had to learn that the hard way without having done anything. But strangely, this entire experience made me change in ways I never expected. It forced me to grow up, and it forced me to grow up fast. It forced me to understand that reputation can disappear overnight. Don't get too attached. And most importantly, it forced me to build a relationship with myself, with faith, and with reality. Because when everything external becomes unstable, you either collapse completely or you discover a version of yourself you have never met before. And honestly speaking, no filter, I'm keeping it very real. There were moments I
No filter, dog. Everything is filtered. ये फिल्टर छोड़ो, तुमने छन्नी लगा के शब्द बोले हैं भाई. तुमने चैट जीपीटी भी छन्नी लगा दी है भाई. तो चाय की छन्नी छानते ना, तुमने वो चैट जीपीटी में भी उस छन्नी से लगा के तुमने स्क्रिप्ट लिखवाई है भाई. व्हाट द फक डू यू मीन नो फिल्टर? Everything is scripted. You know, तुम्हारे तो वीडियो में भी कट्स है भाई. At least fucking speak in front of people. You know, what the fuck is that?
collapsed, wanted to end everything for myself. Real moments where I questioned everything. But I'm still here, I'm still standing, still breathing, still
the video reminded
rebuilding,
me to
still
subscribe.
trying. And I think
Oh, wow, bro. That's funny.
that matters. To anybody watching this video who has ever been falsely judged, like this, like my situation, or publicly humiliated when it comes to such sensitive things, I just want you to know, do not let public opinion become your identity. This was just a social media trial. Because on social media, people only see fragments, not the whole picture, not the reality. And no matter how loud the internet becomes, it still does not define your soul, your worth, your future, you. I know some people watching this video still believe whatever they want to, and honestly, you can still unsubscribe me, hate in the comments, go ahead, you can leave. I can't
The
force
kind of video Nigerian scammers be watching before ask people to give them Amazon gift card. Not gonna lie. They're like, रोते रहो इंटरनेट पे. हम बैठे अपने अफ्रीका के मैंशन पे. हम पी रहे हैं imported Red Bull.
people to understand me. I can't control your opinion. But most importantly, man, I can't spend my entire life trying to prove my humanity to strangers online. Eventually, you just have to live, heal, and move forward. As for me, I'm choosing peace now. I'm choosing growth. I'm choosing to continue.
ये heal हो रहा है. Eesh. This guy is healing. Bro. Um, one of the very sad things, see, I'm not sympathizing with him. I'm telling you, one of the very sad things that I noticed about Azuz is कि भाई जब ये controversy हुई ना, इसकी Reddit community इसकी गांड के पीछे पड़ गई भाई. They literally threw him away. His Reddit is not even his Reddit anymore. Do you guys know this? There is a Reddit called Azuz और Azuz की जो उसको सिर्फ गाली बकता है. इसी के नाम का Reddit इसको सिर्फ गाली बकता है, bro. That's very sad. That's very sad. If you think about it, you know. मुझे काफ़ी मैं होता तो मुझे तो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती भाई, बट या तो
creating, continue building, continue fighting, and continue living my life instead of being trapped in one chapter forever. Because I refuse to believe that one painful season can define an entire person. And I refuse to let the worst period of my life be the only thing attached to my name. To the people who stayed fair, to the people who waited patiently, especially my audience that did not pick sides and at least waited till I spoke up, who supported me privately, who treated me like a human instead of entertainment. Thank you. Seriously, you have no idea how much that meant to me, especially during that phase. And to the rest, I genuinely hope, and please take this in a good way, I genuinely hope life teaches you the importance of fairness before certainty. Because being falsely judged like this is a pain you truly never understand until it happens to you. And I really hope and pray that nobody ever gets to go through something like this, bro. Not even my worst enemies. I don't wish for this on anyone. A lot of people asked me why I left the country. I had to leave that environment because my life was in danger. Please try to understand the depth, the situation that I was actually in 6 months ago. A lot of controversies have happened before that. I have never walked out. But when it has come to my life, obviously I'm going to save my life instead of coming online and trying to justify or prove you anything. आप मेरी जगह पे होते आप क्या करते जब आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली डेथ थ्रेट्स वगैरह मिल रहे हैं? अब आप बोल दोगे कि विक्टिम कार्ड है. ब्रो, आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस.
यार आई मीन यार अजूज भाई लाइक नॉट करने लाया है. 18 साल की बच्ची के कारण आपको कोई डेथ थ्रेट्स नहीं आएंगे, और अगर आएंगी भी तो वो शायद बहुत हेजिटेट करेंगे आपसे मिलना, क्योंकि हो सकता है फिर आप उनको गांजा पिला के उनके साथ सो जाओ. तो लाइक इवन दे वुड बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ यू. So, I don't think it was that dramatic. I think you left the country because you were apprehending an arrest. ठीक है, that's what I think. मुझे लगा कि मुझे ऐसा एज अ लॉयर मुझे ऐसा लगता है अनबायस्ड कि आपने कंट्री इसलिए छोड़ी क्योंकि आपको लग रहा था कि आपको अरेस्ट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि चार्जेस अगर चार्जशीट फाइल होती है तो बहुत सीरियस चार्जेस आप पे लगेंगे. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूँ, है ना, बट ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
I am not making this video for any of you to feel sorry for me. You can call it victim card. It's fine. You guys have already done that shit. Because I did address this situation somewhere or the other in my broadcast. I did raise questions जिसके मेरे को आज तक जवाब मिले नहीं, to be honest. People believed one side of the story. When I finally started...
FIR नहीं किया ना. अबे नहीं किया अलग बात है, अगर कर देती तो पुलिस आके धर लेती ना. तो तुम तो apprehension क्या होता है? Apprehension is not कि you're scared. Apprehension is you're scared of the happening, of the event, of the possibility कि मेरे साथ ये हो सकता है, इसलिए मैं पहले ही निकल लेता हूँ. दिस इज कॉल्ड एप्रीहेंशन. लाइक यू फोरसी समथिंग कि ये पॉसिबिलिटी, लाइक प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हो तुम.
Speaking up, everyone backed off. Nobody made that kind of noise they made when the allegations were made on me. But when I countered, everyone stayed silent. Why?
When did you counter? Genuinely speaking, when did you counter? I could not find any counter. मैं तो वेट कर रहा था.
And one of the biggest reasons I stayed...
Or did you counter, or I was just too distracted and I didn't care? Is that... Did he say something and I never checked it or something?
silent back then was because I didn't want my voice to get lost in the noise. This was a very sensitive thing, a very big allegation to put on someone who has not done this. I can never do such a thing. Please do not do this to someone. It can really ruin someone's life. And real victims suffer because of these things, bro. Please. There are a lot of healthy ways to gain attention to get that limelight. Don't use such things. I request. And I'm
So he's saying the woman did it to get limelight.
going to say this very clearly, not for anyone, but for myself. I am not the person the internet portrayed me as, and I can never do such a heinous act. Rest you.
I can never do such a heinous act. Okay.
You're free to believe whatever you wish to. It does
Okay.
not matter to me. I know who I am, and that's enough for me. I'm not here to create more drama. I'm not here to create more noise. I'm just here to finally speak for myself.
You're not here to create more noise. So are you quitting music? Don't quit music, yeah. You can do much better. You can improve. Your songs were good. You can do better, man. You don't have to quit music. You can keep making music. You know, improve. Get better producers. अरे अरे जोक ही था यार. I'm not hating भाई. मैं hate करने के मूड में नहीं हूँ किसी को. You know. But yeah, this is disappointing, man. At least give some justifications or whatever, man. If you owe your audience something, give them your story. झूठी बोल दे भाई. Give something to stand, like for them to stand upon. What the fuck is this? You're emotionally appealing to people on a factual matter. Don't do that. You know, यही तो वही बात हो गई कि भाई हाँ मैं सांप का जहर बेचते हुए पकड़ा गया, लेकिन जो मेरे फ़ैन है वो जानते हैं मैं बहुत अच्छा आदमी हूँ और वीडियो बनाना वापस चालू कर रहा हूँ मैं. लाइक देयर इज़ नो सब्सटेंस. इट्स लाइक तुम कह रहे हो कि जो मेरा फ़ैन हो मेरा फ़ैन है, जो नहीं है वो नहीं है. दिस इज़ बेसिकली द जिस्ट जो भी बोलते हैं. TBH राजरतन, तुम्हें सच में लगता है कि स्टोरी में बिल्कुल लूप होल्स नहीं है? आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स इसकी गलती है फॉर श्योर, बट रेप एक्यूजेशन इज समथिंग डीप शिट. भाई तुमने देखा नहीं है क्या मेरा वीडियो? तुमने मेरी स्ट्रीम देखी नहीं है क्या, जिस स्ट्रीम पे मैंने ये पूरा सीन डिस्कस कर रहा था ब्रो? व्हाट द फक डू यू मीन कि मुझे लगता है लूप होल नहीं है?